All right, so this is the inside of the Traverse, which, like I said, it gets a whole lot darker in here. I'm not going to stay in here long because it's hot, guys. But these definitely help. Welcome to the Trail Boss Squad. My name's John, and we're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time. And guys, it is summer in Texas, and it is already blazing. And both of my vehicles here are black leather. And I'll tell you, two things that don't mix: Texas sun and black leather seats. After these vehicles have been sitting for a while, when you get in them, they will scald your behind. But Pigenius is here with a little bit of help. These are custom fit sunshades for your windshield. You can have the tinted windows, but they only do so much good. But these are really going to cut down on the heat. I'll show you what they look like. These aren't just your one size fits all. They're made just for these machines. You can get your own too. So thank you, Pigenius, for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and check these out and see how good they work. All right, so we're over here at our little workbench. I've got the wide angle on because these are going to be as big as our windshields. And we do see that these come in a nice little sturdy case or bag, if you will. Both of these bags really very similar, if not the exact same. I'm not sure which one is which or which models we received, but we can kind of check it out here. Like I said, this is the wide angle, so it may look a little bit distorted. But Pigenius is showing us that they may not cover the whole windshield just because of the angles and such, but it's going to be really, really close. And then you use basically your sun visors to keep them up in the air. And we have here a nice reflective material. You can see that it is not just one big piece, and this is like really thick material. It's almost like a cardboard thickness, and I wouldn't be entirely surprised, and I don't want to mislead you, but it could be, well, that there's some thick cardboard in here, and they've lined it with reflective material there, and then on the back we've got kind of like a felt material. So that's nice and sturdy, and I mean, there's a lot of substantialness to it. Let's check out this other one. This one's a little bit different. It's a lot more shiny, and I can tell that this one is not necessarily made out of that same cardboard material. And I'm saying that's cardboard. I don't know if it is. This is a lot more of a, I don't know what kind it would be. A lot more flexible material here. And so we can see that you've got a shiny side, which will reflect the heat away. And then this one has a black side as well. And so these are quite a bit different as far as construction and material-wise. I will have some, information in the thing. Let's see, you can check that out if you want. And the installation instructions are the same. Now, I got these both at the same time, and so I'm not sure which one is for which ride. But we will go ahead and just test it out and see. The windshields are probably quite a bit different, so I don't think it'll be too hard to find out. So let's go. All right, let's go ahead and start with the truck. And guys, I'm not lying when I say when you open up the doors on a hot day, you can feel the heat pull out of this truck. I'm excited for something like this. I don't know if I've got the right one here or not. So you won't have this problem because you're just going to order the one for your vehicle. But I got two at the same time, and I'm not smart enough to just glance at it and know which one is which. Let's go ahead and get this up there. Just get it around our mirror. So this one is a little bit shy of being all the way around, but that don't mean it's not for this one. But we're definitely getting a lot of light blockage. This very well could be the one for my truck. And man, it's already cooling down, which is kind of crazy. Close this too. It gets really dark in here because I've got the windows tinted. And this really, really helps. I'll try that other one out here and just see if, you know, if there is a difference. So there's a better way to do it than mess up your windshield like I did. All right, let's check out the other one now. Now this one does feel more like your traditional sunshade material, but it still has that custom fit to it where it's going to go actually around this. And let's see if we can go ahead and fold it out. I'm guessing that this one's for the truck because it's already blocking out everything. It does show you though that this is actually a custom fit and not just a, you know, one size fits all. Get that in there a little bit here. Close that up. I mean, that is a tight fit. Look at that, guys. Man, that is just a perfect fit. Now, whenever you get out and you come back after a long day, you're going to really see that your vehicle's a lot cooler than it would have been. I'm going to bring y'all in here with the door shut just so you can kind of see how dark it is with and without it. All right, so we are in here and we can see that there's only just the smallest of gaps. And it's really a lot darker in here. Like I said, I do have tinted windows. They're not crazy dark, but this really blocks the light. I could open this and you can immediately see how much brighter it gets. And then, of course, if we take this down, I mean, my camera has to like refocus with the light because it is so bright. I know it's crazy, but I honestly can feel like the difference immediately in the heat. I don't have the air conditioner on or anything in here right now. So it is really stinking hot in here, but we can definitely see, you know, just how good of a fit this really is. So let's go ahead and check out the Traverse. All right, guys. Gosh, it is hot in here too. I'm gonna leave that open. It's hot. Let's go ahead and open this up and get this unfolded. I am, like I said, doing these reviews without the benefit of air conditioner, and I'm kind of regretting that decision. It is sure enough hot. All right, let's just see if this will fit. Oh yeah, that's nice. So let's just close that, and we'll close this, kind of center it up, and we have got one good fit. I really like these guys. I mean, I can immediately tell the difference. It is hot out here, and this really will help. Now, one thing that they had sent me is that they did a test, and like these dashes and stuff, when they get all that heat, they can actually let out some chemicals and stuff, and this like basically makes it to an untraceable amount. Now, I never thought about that, but it doesn't make sense because these dashes are getting absolutely cooked. And I know, like in the older trucks and stuff, I had an 87 Chevy at one point. The dash was just cracked and brittle, and who knows what all that left out. And so I'm sure if you had one of these, it would have helped a whole lot. So Pigenius is really doing good here. So I'll show you a little bit closer up look what this looks like, and then we'll see what they look like from the outside. All right, so this is the inside of the Traverse, which, like I said, it gets a whole lot darker in here. I'm not going to stay in here long because it's hot, guys. But these definitely help. This definitely looks like a fancier version of the other one. And because it's more rigid, it seems to stay in place. I don't know if they've got different versions for each vehicle. And it may be, you know, some are just different. But this one is nice. The other one's nice, but this one's really nice. And it looks really cool from the outside too. So let me show you what they look like. All right, so this is what the Traverse looks like with that style. And you see it's held up in there really good just by the just by the windshield. I can't think of what it's called. Forgive me, guys. By the window visors, and there's the truck. And so they are both, doing their job. Like I said, I can immediately feel a difference as far as, the heat. Like I said, it's easy to feel the difference because it is just a hot day. This will probably be the thumbnail here because that looks pretty good. My wife just come out here and was really excited about hers. She's been wanting one, and Pigenius, right on time with it, especially during the heat of the summer. All right, everybody, so it's been a while. I come out here and checked into each of these. Still warm inside, but it's not nearly as bad. And that sun, it's beating down right now. And so we're looking forward to a little bit of relief. Of course, we both have remote starts. We use them all the time. This will just help it get cooler that much faster if the interior heat isn't nearly as high. And so these things not only could save your interior, but with those chemicals that these dashes let out, it could keep you a lot healthier too. And it should cool down faster whenever you climb in or remote start it. And so there's not really a downside to these except, it may take you 10 seconds to put it up before you go into work or when you park it at your house. All right, thank you so much. Big fan of these. If you want some, check the link in the description. Thank you, Pigenius, for sponsoring this video. And don't forget, Jesus loves you so much he died for you, and all honor and glory goes to God. Good night, good trails, and God bless.